Good morning, children. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So, children, yes, we have completed our chapter number 4, that is My Red Bicycle. Yes, children, and in the last class, we also discussed page number 47 and page number 48. Yes, children, in the last class, we have discussed this. Yes. Section A and Section B. So children, tell me what we have learned in the last class. We have learned can and cannot. Yes. How to use, way to use can and cannot. So children, what is mean by can? Can means able to do and cannot means not able to. Yes, children. So in the last class we have discussed page number 47 and page number 48. Yes, so children, in today's class we are going to discuss page number 49 and page number 50, page number 51. So children, open your English textbook, page number 49. Yes, here see section C, fill in the blanks, fill in the missing letters to complete the names of these vehicles. Yes. So children, here look at this picture first. Here we can see, children. Yes, this is train, helicopter. Yes, helicopter, train, aeroplane, ship, bus and motorcycle. Yes, children, and a motorcycle. So here, children, look at this vehicles. Yes, so what we have to do here, children? Yes, we have to fill in the missing letters to complete the names of these vehicles. Now, we all know the names of this vehicle. This is called train, this is called helicopter, and this is called aeroplane, this is bus, this is called ship, and this is called motorcycle. Yes. So children, let's fill in the missing letters to complete the names of this vehicle. Okay. So look at here. Yes, children. A dash R O dash L A dash E. Yes. So tell me, which vehicle is this, children? Let's fill the missing letters. Yes. This is aeroplane. Yes. Aeroplane. So here, children, aeroplane spelling is, yes, children. So here what we have to do, we have to fill in the missing letters. Yes. So here, children, this is aeroplane. So see here, the spelling of aeroplane is A E R O P L A E. Yes, aeroplane. Yes, children. So here, children, see. So children, see here, the aeroplane spelling here has written wrong, but don't write like this, children. Yes, the aeroplane spelling is A E R O P L A N E. Okay. So repeat after me, children. Aeroplane spelling is A E R O P L A N E. A E R O P L A N E. Aeroplane. Okay. So children, now come to the second one. Yes. So children, this is ship. S-H-I-P, ship. Yes. So here the third one is motorcycle. So children, motorcycle spelling is M-O-T-O-R, motor, C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. M-O-T-O-R, motor, C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. Motorcycle. Okay. So children, now here come to the fourth one, train. Yes, this is train. So here, children, train spelling is T-R-A-I-N. T-R-A-I-N. Train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. So yes. So here, children, the fifth one is bus. Yes. So bus spelling is B-U-S, bus. Okay. B-U-S, bus. So now the sixth one is helicopter. Yes, children. Now the sixth one is helicopter. Helicopter spelling is HELICOPTER. Helicopter. Okay. So the first one is aeroplane. Second one is ship. Third one is motorcycle. Fourth one is train. And fifth one is bus. And the sixth one is helicopter. Okay. Helicopter. So children, now come to the section D here. Okay. Now come to the section D. Look at the picture. Now match the words in column A with their colors in column B. So children, here look at this picture. Yes. So children, first look at this picture. Okay. Then what we have to do, children? We have to look at the picture and we have to match the words in column A with their colors in column B. So sunflower color is yellow. Yes, the sunflower is yellow. Then sky is always blue. Yes, children. So here sunflower is yellow. Sunflower is yellow. And children, sky is always blue. Yes. Then grass is always green. Then mud means what, children? Mitti. Okay. Mud means what? Mitti. So mitti is always brown or black. Yes. Brown, black, red. Yes. Mud is in brown. Then clouds always white. Clouds are white. Sunflower is yellow. Sky is blue. Grass green. Mud is always brown, red and black. Yes. So the clouds are always white. Yes, children. So here children see the clouds are white. So look at this picture. Yes. Then the grass, look at here. The grass is green and the sunflower is yellow. Isn't it, children? And the mud is brown. Yes, children. Here you can see the mud is brown. Yes. So children, here you can see the skies are always white and the sky is blue. Yes. And the clouds are white. Sky is blue and the grass is green. Mud is brown and children, sunflower is yellow. Okay. So now turn the page, children. Now come to the page number . Yes. So children, now come to the page number 50. Assessment of speaking and listening. Listen to these sentences and repeat after your teacher. Okay. So children, see here. I like to travel by train. Do you like to train? Do you like to travel by train? Yes, children. I like to travel by train. Do you like to travel by train? मुझे ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करना पसंद है. क्या आपको ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करना पसंद है? Do you like to travel by train? Here the boy is telling. Yes, children, see. Yes, I do. I like it very much. Yes, I do. I like it very much. I don't like to travel by bus. Do you like it? No, I don't. But I still go to school in a bus. Yes, children. So these are some listening or speaking and listening assessment. Okay, listen to these sentences and repeat after your teacher. So children, आप क्या करो, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ही डिस्कस करो. ओके. सो आई लाइक टू ट्रैवल बाय ट्रेन. डू यू लाइक टू ट्रैवल बाय ट्रेन, चिल्ड्रन? टेल मी नाउ. यस, मुझे ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करना पसंद है. क्या आपको पसंद है? डू यू लाइक टू ट्रैवल बाय ट्रेन? यस, आई डू लाइक इट वेरी मच. यू हैव टू से yes. If you like to travel by train, then you have to say yes ma'am, I do like it. Yes, what you have to do, children? What you have to do? Say yes, I do. I like it very much, ma'am. Okay. So I don't like to travel by bus. Do you like it, children? Yes. No, I don't. But I still go to bus in a bus. I still go to school in a bus. Yes. So children, now come to here pronunciation. Yes. So children, say these words aloud. Notice that the letters in bold in these words have the same sound. So children, already we have learned short vowels and long vowels. Isn't it children? There are totally 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. And also we have learned about short vowels and long vowels. Isn't it children? Yes, so long vowels are always long sounding and short vowels are always short sounding. Yes, so say these words aloud. Notice that the letters in bold in these words have the same sound. Vowel sounds in a bold are long. Yes, and they are same, like cool, food, shoe, school, rude, blue. Yes, ooh, ooh. Yes children, so cool, 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 blue, food, rude, school, shoe. Cool, blue, food, rude, school and shoe. So children, vowel sounds in bold are long vowels. Yes. So now say these words aloud. Notice that the letters in bold in these words have the same sound and vowel sounds in bold are short. So it's like children see put, foot, good, wood, full. Wood, good, foot, put, full. So these are short sounding. So children, long vowels are long sounding, short vowels are short sounding. So once again I will send the video of vowels. Yes, long vowels and short vowels. Okay children, do watch that video. Okay. So children, now see here. Now turn the page children. Yes, speaking, work in pairs, take turns to ask and answer. Do you like ice cream? Like, yes I do. If you like, you have to say yes I do. If you don't like, then what you have to say? No I don't. Okay. So suppose if I am asking you, do you like ice cream children? If you like ice cream, then what you have to say children? You have to say yes I do. If you don't like ice cream, then what you have to say children? You have to say no I don't. Okay. So children, here children see in writing part. Look at the picture, then complete the sentences with words from the box. Okay. Submarine. Here children, see they have given some words in this box. Okay. So this is submarine. Submarine means वो क्या करते हैं बच्चों? जो submarine, it can travel underwater. Yes, it can go deep underwater and it can carry people on board. Yes, look at this picture. So children, what is this? This is submarine. Yes, this is submarine. So this is submarine. It can travel underwater and it can go deep underwater and it can carry people on board children. And we can see all the fishes which are in underwater. Yes, we can see anything or everything. Okay. So children, in underwater. So this is a submarine. It can travel underwater and it can go deep underwater children. Yes, and it can carry people on board. Yes. So this is, so what we have to do children? Yes, this is submarine. It can travel underwater. It can go deep underwater and it can carry people on board. So children, these are some puzzles. So this is your homework. You have to do it. You have to do this activity and send it to me. Okay. For example, see here, what am I? Fill in the blanks with the right answer. Okay. I can float on the water. I can carry people and cargo. I came in different sizes. Am I? Yes, I am a boat. Yes, children. I am a boat. I can float on a water. Float means वो क्या करती है? पानी में तैर सकती है. I can float on water. I can carry people and cargo. I came in different sizes. Yes, I am a boat. So like that you also have to write here children. Okay, this is your homework. Do it and send it to me. Okay children. The next part of the story we will continue in our next class. No children, in the next class. So today, yes, the chapter number 4, My Red Bicycle, is completed. Yes, and the evaluate part is also over. Yes children, so here complete your faith children and send it to me. And children, in the next class we will learn the next chapter, chapter number 5, that is the clouds. Okay children, is that clear? Okay. So children, I hope you understood this. The next part, we will continue in our next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.